So if you look inside your book, they do this some of the conversion factors already for you. Like here they show you feet to yards and inches to feet and an acre to feet. So for anyone who's got an acre of land and you want to know how many feet you have squared, there it is. But that gives you those, and then here's metric units with areas of squared. So those can be really helpful to you. And then we're also going to look at volume. And in volume, here's some volume conversion factors. And again, you can always create these conversion factors just by going 1 foot times 1 foot times 1 foot is equal to, well, there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so 12 times 12 times 12. So you can make all these conversion factors on your own, but you can also look in the book to see where those are. And now we're going to look at some examples with volume. So, in this example, what is the volume in pints of a 1-gallon container of milk? So we're going to change from gallons to quarts and then quarts to pints if you want to do it that way, because you might already know the gallons to quarts and you might know your quarts to pints. So this is how we would do this. So you start with 1 gallon, and 1 gallon is the same as 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. But I know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. So what happens here is I go 1 times 4 times 2 pints, because the quarts cancels with the quarts and the gallons cancels with the gallons, and that leaves me with 8 pints. So 1 gallon has the same capacity as 8 1-pint containers. Now this is also in your book. This is looking at metric units of volume. So there's a nice little picture that sometimes lets students see what metric units look like. But here's a conversion factor for metric units of volume. And here's an example of a problem. A sports car has a 2.2 liter engine. What is the displacement volume of the engine in milliliters? So we have liters, we want milliliters. So we say we have 2.2 liters. That's equal to 2.2 liters times, well, there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So we can cancel out the liters. This is my conversion factor. So I go 2.2 times 1,000 milliliters, and that gives me 2,200 milliliters.